Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips HR3705 by 10 mixer. This is part of the daily collection by Philips. There are a lot of components in this and a lot of information as well. This is a 300 watt powered hand mixer. It's lightweight and comes with a 2-year warranty. It's up to 20% faster results. What else do we have? More or less the same information on this side. It's talking about the cone shaped beaters again. Philips cone shaped beaters work up to 20% faster, covering a larger surface area in less time and incorporating air into the batter for a smooth, fluffy texture. That's more or less all the information you have here. Okay, some more information on this side. This mixer runs on a 300 watt powered engine. It has 5 speed setting. It also has a turbo setting. It can be assembled easily and it has a easy to store cord solution as well. Now let's open this box and take a look inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Philips HR3705 by 10 mixer. This is the user manual for the said mixer that you can see, HR3705. This is the name of the model, and this is the user manual that you should read at least once. Okay, next up we have a certificate of purchase, basically a warranty card. If you lose this, we have a lot of these attachments for the mixer. There are 2 of these. So there are a couple of more attachments. These are basically your beaters, and these are an alternate pair of beaters. So the idea is that, and this is basically the mixer. The idea is that the attachments go into these holes over here. I'm going to put the beating one over here right now. So that's one gone in, and this is the other one. And you can see this. So now you can see they are kind of turning in tandem, which is what they're supposed to do. They're not supposed to touch each other. And so this is what the mixer actually looks like. There you can see the Philips logo. It has a nice black finish to it. And this is the conical design that the box was talking about. Has a very solid handle over here. And over here you have some buttons. These are the 5 speed settings as mentioned on the box. And the turbo button is right over here. You use this knob to switch between the settings, and that's more or less it. There is a pretty long cable over here as well, like almost a meter long cable. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Philips HR3705 by 10 mixer. Thank you for watching.
Introducing the Philips HR3705 by 10 hand mixer. The hand mixer has a power of 300 watts and an operating voltage of 220 to 240 volts. It comes with a selection of 5 different speeds plus turbo for a variety of recipes. The mixer comes with a 1.2 meter long cord for longer reach. The cord wraps around and fixes into place with a clip for tidy storage. It is lightweight and features an ergonomic design which makes mixing comfortable and easy. The black hand mixer measures 10.5 by 21 by 19.4 centimeters and weighs 1.08 kilograms. It comes with 2 pairs of beaters in high quality, dishwasher safe stainless steel. The cone-shaped beaters work faster, covering a larger surface area less time and incorporating air into the batter for a smooth fluffy texture. The beaters and dough hooks attach easily with a click and release with one touch of the large clear eject button. The box includes the hand mixer, stainless steel dough hooks and stainless steel strip beaters. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.